In this video, I'm going to show you the simple steps of deleting your Facebook business page. So if you also have a Facebook page that you're trying to delete, then in this video, I'm going to show you the exact steps that you need to follow. Now, before I show you and move on the video, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more interesting videos. Open up the app of Facebook and tap on the menu on the top right, and firstly switch from your profile to your page. Just tap on the page icon right here and your page will be switched. From here, again tap on the menu on the top right, scroll down, tap on settings and privacy and tap on settings. From here, you just need to scroll down and under Facebook page information, tap on access and control. Inside of this setting, you will have two options. Either you can deactivate or delete your page. So just tap on this option and select the delete option. Once that is done, tap on continue and choose a reason of deleting your account. If you don't want, you can also tap on continue. And lastly, it's gonna ask you to download your information of Facebook page. If you want, you can tap on download information and download some of the information. Next, tap on continue and type in the password of your Facebook and then tap on continue. Now in the last section, you just need to tap on continue and your Facebook deletion request will be successfully sent to Facebook and your Facebook page will be successfully deleted. So this is the exact process of deleting your Facebook business page. If this video was useful to you, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below. And that's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.